All elements in Revit have parameters that affect the behavior and description of the element. These include instance parameters, which are used to define a specific element, and type parameters, which define all instances of a particular element type. When you select an element such as a wall, the settings displayed in the Properties palette are instance parameters. To access the type parameters of an element, such as a window, select it, and then click Edit Type in the Properties palette. This opens the Type Properties dialog box, where any changes will affect all elements of that type. For example, if you adjust the height parameter, all the windows change size because they are all the same type. By contrast, instance parameters can vary from instance to instance. For example, if you adjust the sill height of the window in the Properties palette, only the selected window is changed. The parameter type indicates the format of the value that it can contain, such as a distance, a string of text, or material information. A parameter can even refer to relationships to other elements in the model. For example, select the curtain wall to see that the top constraint parameter is set to a building level. The dropdown can be used to adjust the level as needed. In addition to making changes directly in the Properties palette or in the Type Properties dialog, you can adjust some parameters by manipulating the element in the drawing area. In this case, the top offset parameter of the curtain wall is changed by simply dragging the shape handle. Parameters provide flexibility in defining, placing, manipulating, and scheduling building elements. To meet project requirements, you can also add parameters to elements in your model to track and schedule customized information.